Hi guys, Charlie Bradford here. I hope you're doing well today, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today you've been doing some research. You want to find out what is the best affiliate marketing program for 2020, and what I'm going to talk to you about in this video is how you can find the best program for you, because everyone's preferences differ. It depends on what your style is, what you like and all that sort of stuff. There's so many out there. I could recommend some products to you, but what I'd like to do is give you the strategy for picking the best affiliate marketing program. And at the end of the video, I want to give you what I think is the best affiliate marketing model that you can pick. So to start off with, I've put a completely free training together on how you can get started with affiliate marketing and how absolutely anyone can earn money online through that business model. If you want to jump straight in there, just hit the link below, guys, and you can jump straight into that free training. It's absolutely free. I just want to give you guys as much value as possible. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video today, and let's talk about the best affiliate marketing programs for 2020 and the strategies for finding those programs. So how to choose the best program. This is what we're going to talk about today, and I'm going to show you, like I said, the strategy for actually doing it. Rather than recommending 10 different programs to you, I just want to show you how you can pick the best ones according to your style. So there's a lot of crap out there, guys. There is, there's a lot of stuff out there that's, and these people that are selling the rubbish and promoting the rubbish, they're good at marketing, so they're going to make you believe that this stuff is really good. But there's so much of it out there that's been copied. What happens is there's a guru out there who creates a course, who's done years and years and years of building up his business, and someone else will go and copy that and create their own course off the back of that, and then someone joins their course and then they copy that, and there's, it goes down and down and down, and the quality of them courses becomes so poor. You don't get any support. You struggle to to actually take in the information and actually implement it. So you've got to be really, really careful. So it is your responsibility to promote ethically. And what I mean by this is some people out there, if you follow their courses, their programs, what they'll do is they'll teach you to just go and grab anything, go on JVZoo or ClickBank or whatever it may be, and go and just grab any link for any product, doesn't matter, and just start throwing that link about all over the place. You don't understand the product, you don't know who it can help, you don't know anything about it. So how can you ethically promote that product if you don't understand it? This leads me on to point one. You always buy the product that you're promoting. That's a belief of mine, and some of the mentors I follow. Just to give you an insight, I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on different courses, different programs, and different structured programs as well, organic marketing, email marketing. I've done loads of them, and I've learned so much along the way. And this is what I want to pass on to you guys, how to pick the one that sticks and the one that's actually going to make you some money online. So you always buy that product. If you haven't bought it, how can you understand what it is? You need to buy that product. You need to consume the whole thing, and you need to understand exactly what pain points it's covering, what it's teaching you, and that way you can understand your target audience and who it's going to help, because you want to promote it to people it's going to help. You don't want to be just promoting it to anyone just to take their money. That's completely unethical, and at the end of the day, your business won't be sustainable if you run it like that. You need to build this business as a sustainable business. At the end of the day, we all want to create the life of freedom. We want that laptop lifestyle, don't we? We want to be able to work from anywhere, work from home, and earn enough money to provide for our family. So that's what it's all about. So number two, you've got to check it out. You've got to go in there. Like I said, you've got to consume the whole thing, and you need to check out the actual affiliate program. So you need to check out what is the commissions they're paying, what's the the terms and conditions. You need to understand what you get for promoting that product. If you're getting 1% commission off of a $10 product, it's going to take you a huge amount of traffic into that product, a huge amount of sales before you make any sort of decent income from it. So you need to be really careful about that, guys. You need to find one that not only is a great program, something you've consumed completely and that you've enjoyed every step of the way, and it's really helped you, because that's the best way to do it. If it's helped you, then you can sell it with enthusiasm. You can promote that product because it's helped you get what you wanted. So you know it. Number 3, you've got to find out what the lifetime customer value is. Is it a product where it's just a one-time sale and they're gone? Obviously in the process, what I'll talk to you about, if you want to jump onto that free training, it's down below, but I talk about different things in there about email marketing, capturing people's information and using that to resell. That's something, if you've done any research into affiliate marketing, that's a big part of the business. But you need to find out in this program what is the lifetime customer value. A lot of programs out there, it's just a one-time sale. So you pitch it, you promote it, you put a huge amount of effort into getting these customers in. You get one sale out of it, and then they're gone. They're gone onto something else, or hopefully consuming the product that you've promoted to them. What I find is a much better way is to have an increased lifetime customer value, or of each customer. So they're not just buying one product. There's potentially more products in that package that can help them achieve what they want to achieve in their business. So that's a great one. The value ladder. This is where the value ladder comes in. There's some great programs out there about that have this value ladder structure. If you know anything about sales funnels, ClickFunnels is a massive software out there, and this is one of the top ones with a value ladder product. You come in with a free plus shipping book maybe, and then it leads you on to next. And as you build within your business, the great thing about the value ladder product is you can bring people in that are just beginners, just starting, for very, very low cost. You can show them, give them the techniques, give them the skills in the training, show them that it is possible. And then as their business progresses, they start making more money. They can then buy the next step up to improve their business further, to earn more money, to build their skills, and then they can, when that sort of develops, you see what I mean, guys, and then your lifetime value of each customer, it goes through the roof. And that's exactly what we want. So what I think is the best programs set up, for affiliate marketing, and the business model for affiliate marketing is the partner strategy. It's what I like to call the partner strategy, and it's what my mentor calls the partner strategy. And what this is effectively you buy into the program, you become a partner in that program, and then you have access to everything within that program. It doesn't matter, you don't have to own every part of that program, and not only that, anything else that's promoted within that program, whether it's software, stuff that they don't even own in the program, you get commissions for. This means that you get the value ladder, you get the huge lifetime value of each customer, because there's so many different things that are sold within that program. This is why I believe it is the best structure, and that's why I think it's the best affiliate model. There is no better out there than this. So if you want to find out a bit more about the partner strategy, about how to start affiliate marketing business, or you've heard all the hype, maybe you don't know what's going on about it, but you've done a bit of research, you found this video maybe, and you think, I want to find out more. Like I said, down below this video, hit the link. There's a completely free training program there that I've put together, give you the basics to get you started in affiliate marketing, and show you that, like I said, absolutely anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. So that's it, guys. I hope this video has helped. If you've enjoyed the video, I'd love to get a comment below, so please stick me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be giving you regular videos like this and giving you as much information as I possibly can. So go out there, go and pick a program that is ethical, go and consume it, go and enjoy it, go and learn along the way, and then be able to promote that, knowing your exact target market, and that way your results will be much better. Your business will be sustainable, and it will last a lifetime. So I hope that's helped, guys, and I will speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.